Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the Thunderobot Zero 18 Pro 5070 Ti, a gaming laptop that feels like a full desktop setup squeezed into something you can actually carry. The first thing that hits you is the massive 18-inch QHD Plus display with a super smooth 240Hz refresh rate, and honestly, everything looks crazy fluid. Whether you're gaming, editing, or just scrolling around, it feels fast, sharp, and ridiculously immersive. Under the hood, this machine is built like a beast. You're getting the Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX with 24 cores paired with the RTX 5070 Ti, which means high settings gaming, 4K video editing, and even heavy AI workloads run without breaking a sweat. Games load instantly thanks to 32GB DDR5 RAM and a 1TB SSD, and multitasking feels effortless even with demanding apps running at the same time. One feature that really adds to the vibe is the per-key RGB keyboard, fully customizable so you can light up your hotkeys differently depending on the game. It's a small touch, but it makes the whole experience feel premium. Plus, with its military-grade durability, it's built to handle travel, bumps, and long-term use without feeling fragile. Now, the trade-off is that it's not exactly lightweight. This laptop is bulky, but that's the price you pay for this level of power and the cooling system needed to keep it running smooth. Overall, the Thunderobot Zero 18 Pro feels like a future-ready machine for gamers and creators who want serious performance with zero compromises. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.